Hello, it is Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Ford Mustang, stock reference number 5873. This shape ran from the 8th of 2015 to the 10th of 2017. It has an EcoBoost 4-cylinder, 2.3 litres turbo petrol engine backed by an auto rear-wheel drive transmission. Here we have our EcoBoost 4-cylinder 2.3 litre turbo petrol engine. Left hand mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left hand tail light. Boot lid, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Right front door, no dents. Right hand mirror. Right front guard, no dents. Right front wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Right hand headlight. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Center console. Auto gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Touchscreen media player. Interior mirror. Left hand sun visor. Courtesy light. Right hand sun visor. And a tidy leather 3-spoke steering wheel with audio, cruise and phone buttons.